Hello everyone. Today we are going to make delicious cucumber egg salad. So I have my tomatoes, green onions, cucumbers, corn, and eggs. So we are just going to mix them together, and I have black pepper. For dressing we have black pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1.5 lime juice. So this is it. It's gonna be very fresh. So here is my tomatoes. Then my corn here. Very fresh and delicious. Then our cucumber, our green onions, so this is it. Then we're gonna combine our dresses first. Then we'll put eggs on top. And my salt, lime juice, salt and pepper. And my this is it. I'm gonna mix it. Very delicious. This is what I'm having for lunch, guys. Fresh salad. We are going to mix everything together. Look how fresh. So the corn will add a little bit of sweetness. Hey, my goodness, so fresh. So fresh. Very fresh. You can make this one and keep it overnight and carry it for lunch, for work. Just put it in the fridge and have it for your lunch the next day. Look how fresh, guys. Look how it's fresh. Look at the colors. Beautiful. So this is it. Now we are going to add our eggs. Gonna beautify it with eggs. So that's it for my fresh salad. So look at it, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. Bye. This is it. I'm ready. Very beautiful.